First thing I want to talk about is something that's really cool, and this is really two different things. Number one, Wirecast Software, which you can go into a little bit more. There's two flavors of Wirecast Software, and that software, what I love about it is you can run it on a PC or Mac. It's a great encoder, and you can use it with USB, NDI, or from your phone for great web streaming. So my number one tech tip to everyone is that Wirecast is a Swiss Army knife, and you can put it on a lot of different things to get things working. So let's talk about what we're talking about here. I kind of should add these slides in the other order, and I apologize for that. We have Epiphan AVio Grabber. So I want to show you this grabber right over here. There we go. This is the AVio. As you can see, it's a small little device. It attaches USB on one side, and then this side's got, you know, your jack, which comes with an HDMI adapter. We also have a SDI and a 4K HDMI version. These start at $399.95, and this will let you take video into your computer, PC or Mac. You attach your HDMI to this end, you attach this end via USB to your computer. You don't need any drivers. What I love about these, yes, there are less expensive units out there. Nothing's as rugged as this unit. They do not overheat. You don't have to worry about that. You know, if you're doing a service, it's an hour or 2 hours long, stuff heats up. You don't have to worry about with this stuff. It doesn't require any drivers, and they just work and work all the time. So you're going to pay a little bit more, but they're worth every penny. That's Epiphan AVio encoders, and they work great with Wirecast. And we can help put you to bundle together with a Wirecast and an AVio. Now, why do I bring that up? Well, maybe you've got an existing production system where you can do some switching, but you can't stream and you can't do any live graphics and stuff. Well, that's where Wirecast comes in great, because you can add your graphics and picture-in-picture and your effects in Wirecast, and then you can also now stream, because Wirecast is a great encoder. So maybe all you want to do is have, for your streaming, if it's maybe an educator or a teacher, maybe you just want to be able to bring a screen from a computer that you have coming into Wirecast via USB jack, and then maybe you also need to get a camera. It could be your webcam that you can get going. Wirecast is a great software tool, PC or Mac. Runs great. It's a fantastic encoder. A lot of people use it as an encoder with their existing system because maybe their existing system is a little overwhelmed, so they need to offsite the encoder. Love that it'll run on a PC or Mac. Very, very cool. It also supports NDI technology, which we'll get into later in the show, and we're going to do a whole nother show about NDI later.